On behalf of the family, we thank you as well for your prayers and your continued support to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Naghanang nangutana ka kung tinuod ba tong nakita siyang unconscious sa iyahang room, dili to tinuod o walay nahitabo nga ingato. In fact, sa pagtawag, natulog siya ato nga panahona and gitawagan siya sa abogado o pangutana siya kung tinuod ba nga nakitaan ka nga unconscious sa imo ang kwarto, siya wala. And maybe it was just a prank by many of my supporters. So, dili to tinuod. And we hope to hear good news for the public hearing on his on the appeal for his interim release on November 28th. But if not, we will continue to the family will continue to support him in his stay in The Hague in the Netherlands, and of course continue to work with the defense team with regard to his legal case. So, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan.